The Killer Bay, Heather Monroe getting set for an intergender matchup with huge stipulations against Nate Andrews. If Nate Andrews, the lover boy, wins in this matchup, Heather Monroe will, unbelievably, be forced to become Nate Andrews' servant. However, if Heather Monroe gets the victory here tonight, Nate Andrews will have to wear a dress live in the ring at the conclusion of this matchup. These stipulations were set by Nate Andrews at the end of our last Hurricane Pro event, which you can watch in the back catalog here on Title Match Network. It was Nate Andrews teaming with Marina Shafir against Blonde Force Trauma, Heather Monroe, and Ray Lynn. And it was Heather Monroe who got the victory in that matchup, and Nate Andrews blamed Marina Shafir after that matchup, and he wanted another shot at Heather Monroe.
Heather, hold on 1 second.
And again, Nate Andrews, who loves to hear his own voice.
But look, fact of the matter is, nobody here wants to see me wear a dress. Like I said, they don't want to see it. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to do you a favor. If you lay down right now and you let me pin you and we end this, only one time and one time only, the next event, you will shine and clean my boots before I get in this ring.
Talk about disrespect.
All you have to do is just lay down and let me pin you.
Nate Andrews asking Heather Monroe to lay down for him, with the caveat being that he'll only ask her to be a servant for one show, shining his shoes. But I know Heather Monroe enough to know that she's not going to take this offer, but she looks like she's maybe thinking about it. Is Heather Monroe going to take Nate Andrews up on his offer? Now, wait a minute. Look, maybe she is. Maybe I was wrong. Heather Monroe laying down in the center of the ring. It might be over. Oh, rolls him up. Heather Monroe almost caught Nate Andrews just like that. Another roll up. Again, almost a 2 count. Backslide. Heather Monroe taking Nate Andrews to school. Another cover, got a 2 count. This is a clinic from Heather Monroe. Took Nate Andrews off guard there. Nate Andrews set the stipulation. If Nate Andrews wins, Heather Monroe will be his servant. If Heather Monroe wins, Nate Andrews has to wear a dress. Cover. And Nate Andrews rolling to the outside, trying to take a breather here. Asking for a timeout. There are no timeouts in pro wrestling. Personally, I have no interest in seeing Nate Andrews in a dress, but it's clear that Nate Andrews does not want to be caught dead in a dress here at Hurricane Pro. Oh, there's a baseball slide from the Killer Bay. But clearly a dress on Nate Andrews might be the attitude adjustment that Nate Andrews needs. Cover again from the Killer Bay. 2 count. Nate Andrews, who again and again and again, and just like that, right there poking the eye of Heather Monroe, a cover of his own, hooks the Tyson, wait a minute. Heather Monroe got kicked out. Nate Andrews, who again and again disrespects the women's locker room here at Hurricane Pro Wrestling. Who coincidentally, I'm sure, always seems to be getting the short end of the stick in these intergender matchups. Maybe this motivation is what he needed. This stipulation might have been the fire that Nate Andrews needs to put Heather Monroe in her place, as he would say. The Snapmare, appropriately named by Nate Andrews and Heather Monroe. Nate Andrews blamed Marina Shafir for that loss against the Blonde Force Trauma at the last Hurricane Pro event, when that was all Nate Andrews. But if Nate Andrews is able to put Heather Monroe away here tonight, Not only will we never hear the end of it, we're going to be seeing Heather Monroe shining the shoes of Nate Andrews. Now the lover boy backing the Killer Bay up in the corner. Nate Andrews in that ridiculous polo shirt. Will it be wearing a ridiculous dress in just a moment? Popping that collar. Goes for a big splash in the corner, finds no one there. Heather Monroe up and over. A forearm on the outside, but he got caught. Oh, man. Double stomp from Monroe. Again, a cover. And Nate Andrews, impressively, able to kick out. And there's the tenacity of Heather Monroe. That's why for so long, Heather Monroe was the face of the women's division here at Hurricane Pro Wrestling. Oh, big flapjack from Nate Andrews. Onto the Killer Bay. Now wait a minute, Andrews' feet on the bottom rope here. The referee saw it. And thank God for that. Andrews arguing with the referee instead of staying on the Killer Bay. And a cheater might be the nicest description anyone has ever said about Nate Andrews. Now taking the boots to Heather Monroe. Yeah, a big man. I mean, the audacity. I still can't believe that Nate Andrews, after losing to Heather Monroe, challenged her to a match where if Nate Andrews wins, Heather Monroe has to be his servant. One of the most ridiculous stipulations ever here at Hurricane Pro Wrestling. But Heather Monroe is in a bad way here. Waistlock. Heather Monroe with the back elbow. Kind of see the wear and tear of this matchup so far. Not to be able to return fire there. Heather Monroe got caught. Vertical suplex from Nate Andrews. There's another cover. You can see the frustration on the face of Nate Andrews. So much on the line. But this is the bed that Nate Andrews has made. Is he going to have to lie in it? We'll see. I mean, it's going to be a first here at the end of this matchup, one way or the not. Either Heather Monroe is going to be Nate Andrews' servant, or Heather Monroe is going to force Nate Andrews to wear a dress. Springboard does Heather Monroe in the corner. And a hip attack to boot. Heather Monroe setting Nate Andrews up. Head scissors. Looks to take him down. It's a side Russian leg sweep. Cover. Two count. Heather Monroe's got Nate Andrews right where she him. Going for that bad bitch Inoku driver. But Nate Andrews reverses it. Oh! 2 count only. Nate Andrews cannot believe it. This match will continue. And now Nate Andrews saying it's all over. Stalking Heather Monroe, waiting for her to get up. This might not be a smart strategy from Nate Andrews. He's got her in control. now Heather Monroe setting him up again. Oh, the coaching clutch. Heather Monroe with a submission hold onto Nate Andrews. Now again, Nate got this referee letting a lot go here. Nate Andrews again raking the eye of Heather Monroe. There's a lot on the line here tonight. Referee getting in the face of Nate Andrews about it. Forearms back and forth we go here. Heather Monroe, drag her suplex, kick the boot. Is that enough? Now wait a minute. Now wait, some controversy here. From my vantage point. All right, it's official. Heather Monroe got the victory here. Referee saying it was 3. Nate Andrews arguing with here. Heather Monroe is your winner. Now, you know what that means. Let's see Chad Cooper making sure Nate Andrews stays in the ring.
Oh, it looks like I won't be shining any of your shoes, but oh, you're gonna look so pretty in this. Straight from JCPenney's, baby.
Nate Andrews trying to run away. This crowd chanting, "Put it on," and Nate Andrews is that a dress? It's almost a muumuu. You set the stipulation, Nate. Heather demanding put the hands up. No, wait a minute. Over the kick, but Heather Monroe mounting the back of Nate Andrews is tapping out here. A sleeper hold. Nate Andrews trying to struggle, trying to fight out of it, but he's going down, down, down. And I think Nate Andrews might be going night-night here at the hands of the Killer Bay. Nate Andrews is out. Nate Andrews is out. The Killer Bay is up. And I think now the dress is going on. Yes, there you see it.
There we go.
Couldn't happen to a nicer guy. And now Heather waking up Nate Andrews. I think he looks good.